Welcome to this Easy English podcast. Today, we will explore one of the most important skills for English learners, learning to think in English. Many people study grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. They watch videos, they read books, and they practice listening. But when the moment comes to speak, they freeze. Their mind goes blank, or they start translating every single word from their native language. This makes speaking slow, difficult, and stressful. But here is the good news. Your brain can learn to think directly in English. It just needs the right environment, the right exercises, and the right habits. So in this episode, we will explore how the brain learns languages, why translation is slowing you down, and what simple steps you can start doing today to finally think in English naturally. So relax, breathe slowly, and listen with an open mind. Let's begin. Section 1. Why thinking in English is the secret to fluency. Thinking in English is the foundation of natural speaking. When you think directly in English, your brain creates faster connections. You don't stop to translate. You don't pause to search for words. You simply speak. Translation creates a wall between your thoughts and your words. It slows everything down. It creates fear and self-doubt because you are constantly judging if your sentence is correct or not. But when you think in English, you become more confident because your thoughts already exist in the language. You are not trying to convert ideas. You are producing them naturally. This makes speaking smooth, spontaneous, and enjoyable. Another important reason to think in English is speed. Native speakers think fast. Conversations happen quickly. If your brain is translating while others are speaking, you will always feel behind. Thinking in English trains your brain to respond at the same rhythm as the conversation. It helps you understand things instantly, without mental effort. Section 2. How your brain learns a new language. Understanding how the mind works will help you think in English more easily. When you learn a new language, your brain creates new neural pathways. At first, these pathways are weak, like small trails in the forest. You walk on them, but it is slow and difficult. The more you use the language, the more these pathways expand. They become stronger, smoother, and faster, like roads and highways. At some point, English becomes automatic. You don't think about thinking. You just do it. Children learn languages naturally because they are not afraid to make mistakes. They don't translate. They don't worry about grammar. They simply repeat, observe, listen, and create meaning through experience. As adults, we can copy this process. We can develop new habits that help us think in English little by little. Section 3. Start with simple English thoughts throughout the day. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect level. Start today with the English you already know. When you wake up, think, "Good morning. I feel sleepy. I want breakfast. Today will be a good day." When you travel to work or school, "I am walking. The sun is bright. There are many cars today. I am listening to music." These short mental sentences are powerful because they train your brain to stay in English without stress. The more you do it, the more your brain adapts. If a sentence feels too hard, make it simpler. Instead of, "I need to prepare myself for a long day at work," just think, "I need to work today." Start small. Consistency wins. Section 4. Describe your actions as they happen. This technique is extremely effective. It connects English to real-life actions, which helps your brain absorb the language naturally. When you cook, "I am cutting the vegetables slowly. I am cooking chicken in the pan. The kitchen smells good." When you shower, I'm washing my hair. This water feels warm. I am relaxing. When you prepare your bag, I need my phone. I need my wallet. I am ready to go. The goal is not perfect grammar. The goal is to keep your mind thinking in English while you live your daily life. Section 5. Use the objects around you to train your mind. Look around your room. Choose objects and name them in English. Chair, bed, window, keys, shoes, laptop. Then create simple sentences. The bed is soft. My phone is on the table. The door is open. Then increase difficulty slowly. I usually keep my shoes near the door. I like the natural light from the window. This room feels quiet right now. This connects English to your environment. Your brain starts to see the world in English. Section 6. The mini conversations technique. Have short conversations with yourself in your mind. They could be extremely simple. Where am I going? I'm going to work. What time is it? It is 8 in the morning. What do I want to eat? I want something sweet. Self-conversations help your brain become flexible in English. You practice both asking and answering. Over time, you can make the conversations longer. What do I need to do today? I need to study. I need to clean my room. I need to exercise. I think it will be a productive day. These mini conversations build confidence and fluency. Section 7. Create an English identity. This is a psychological trick that works extremely well. Create a simple version of yourself that only uses English. This version doesn't need perfect pronunciation. It doesn't need perfect grammar. It only needs confidence and calm energy. When you listen to English, imagine this English version of yourself understanding everything. When you speak, imagine this version talking slowly and clearly. This removes anxiety and helps you switch into English mode. Section 8. Stop judging yourself while you think. One of the biggest obstacles to thinking in English is self-criticism. You judge yourself. You worry. You try to make perfect sentences. But this kills natural thinking. Your goal is not to think perfectly. Your goal is to stay in English. Even if your thought is, I go work now, it is okay. Later, your brain will naturally correct it to, I'm going to work now. Fluency grows through freedom, not fear. Section 9. Use English for small problems during the day. When you face a small problem, try to think about it in English. For example, where are my keys? I can't find my charger. What do I need to buy today? Should I clean first or eat first? This forces your brain to use English in real situations. It becomes more natural and automatic. Section 10. Expand your thoughts slowly over time. Week 1. Simple words. Week 2. Short sentences. Week 3. Describe actions. Week 4. Small conversations. Week 5. Feelings and opinions. For example, after a few weeks, you can start thinking, I feel a little stressed today, but I think I'll be okay. I don't understand everything, but I can understand the main idea. I am learning slowly, but I am improving every day. The goal is natural expansion, not pressure. Section 11. A simple daily routine. Morning, 1 minute. Think 3 sentences about how you feel. Afternoon, 2 to 3 minutes. Describe an action you are doing. Night, 2 to 3 minutes. Look around your room and create 5 to 10 sentences. This is enough to change your brain in a few weeks. Conclusion: you can think in English. Your brain is powerful. It can adapt to new languages. It can build new patterns. And it can learn to think in English step by step. Be patient with yourself. Practice slowly. Enjoy the process. Celebrate small progress. And remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is consistency. Every small thought in English is a step forward. If you enjoyed this slow and relaxing English podcast, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more episodes like this, subscribe and turn on the notifications. New podcasts are coming every week, and they will help you improve your English gently and naturally. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep thinking in English.